In this video, we're going to follow 5 steps to add a Photopea template, and let's jump in and do this. These are the steps we're going to be following in order for us to have our template added on Photopea. So you might want to find out, Zanele, why do I need to add a template on Photopea? You could be growing a community like me on YouTube and you want to share the templates that you're creating. Or you could have a Facebook group where you have a community of designers that you are sharing information and you're sharing templates. So Photopea is a nice free platform that you could use to do this. So the first thing that you're going to do is to log in on Photopea and then create an account. It's very easy to create an account. You just click where it says account and then you log in, and then you use any one of these login details, either Google, Facebook, or Microsoft, and then you create an account. Once you've created an account, it's going to change to a yellow color. Then you have logged in on your Photopea. So then step number 1 is done. We're going to jump in on step number 2. We're going to add a PSD file that we've designed, and we're going to publish it online. So you're going to go back to Photopea, and then you're going to find the design that you want to share on Photopea. You're going to go to open from computer, and then you go find your template that you've created and you want to share. So I'm going to use this restaurant mockup PSD, and I want to share this. I promised on my previous video, if you want to check it out, that I'm going to share how to upload this file. So this is the PSD file, and people are going to place their design here, and it's going to be on this logo that we've created on the previous video. So once you've loaded the PSD file, the next thing that you're going to do is to publish it so that it's available for you to add the template. So you're going to go File, and you're going to Publish Online, and you're going to publish a PSD file. And Photopea is going to show you a message to say that if you publish this file, people can have access to it, and they are not guaranteeing that this file is going to be stored for longer than 6 months if people are not using it. If you're happy, you just click on OK, and then it starts publishing. Awesome. Once it has published, it will open a second tab with a photopea.com/ and a unique number. That's the URL you're going to use for publishing this template. So you could either copy this or keep the tablet. Haha, funny. Keep the tab open because you're going to need it a little bit later. So now you're going to jump back to step number 3. You're going to create a thumbnail. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your first tab, the one that has your PSD file open, and you're going to export this PSD file as a JPEG. Usually the PNG is a large file and it doesn't work. So rather publish it or export it as a JPEG. So you're then going to go File, Export As, and you choose JPEG. So you're going to click on Save, and then it will save the JPEG file that you've just created. Awesome. Now you're on step number 4. Now you're going to go to imgu.com. I'm going to share the link at the description below, and you're going to add this thumbnail that you've just created. So then you go to imgu.com. You don't need to create an account because once you've uploaded the file there, all you do is you just copy the address. And that's what we're going to do now. You're going to click on New Post, and you're going to drag that JPEG file that you've created, and it looks like that. Then you will right click and copy the image address. That's what you need. I suggest that you keep this tab also open because we want this copy image address to use it on Photopea. We're going to jump in on the last step, and now it's time for us to add the template on Photopea. You're going to go back to the main menu of Photopea, and then you're going to click on PSD Templates. And once you're on PSD Templates, you click on Add Templates. and then you will select new template because you want to add a new template. So you're going to give your template a name. You're going to give a brief description to people that are going to be using your template so that they know what it is. And then you're going to go back to the tab that was open from Photopea after we've published, and we're going to copy that address. So you're going to go back to that template that we've published, and we're going to copy the address, and we're going to paste it over there where it says file. And there's the hint that Photopea is giving us. It's telling us we should go file, publish online, and use that URL as file. And then the next is the thumbnail that we've published on Imgu. So we're going to go back to Imgu, and here's the file that we've published. We're going to right click and copy image address, and then go back to Photopea editor and paste that JPEG image address over there. Last thing is you're going to categorize this template as whatever you want to add it under, and then you click on save, and that's it. Your logo is saved and it is part of your templates that you've shared. So you're going to give it a couple of moments, a couple of minutes or so before it shows under all templates. So what you would do now is you would refresh your Photopea editor and then go back to PSD Templates, and your template is going to be loaded there so people can access it. That's how you load a PSD template on Photopea. So what you could do now is rewind time a little bit and go learn how to create a PSD file in the first place before you could edit here. I'll link it on the video above.